friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. We're in my bathroom right now because we are gonna start winding down and getting ready for our cozy, spooky night routine. This video is technically a little bit pre-filmed. It's weird to pre-film a vloggy style video, but we'll be on vacation for Zane's birthday by the time this vlog goes up. So I wanted to just have something ready so I wasn't worrying about filming and editing while on our trip. So I thought what might be fun is just kind of doing like an unwinding kind of video. I have to wash my hair, I have to wash my face, we're gonna make cookies, relax, it's gonna be chill and fun. I get questions on occasion anyways about my skincare routine and like my hair routine and stuff like that, so I figured I could throw that in this video as well. And it's just gonna be fun and we'll hang out. Maybe you can share some of your winding down, spooky Halloween nighttime things you like to do. And it's just gonna be cozy and fun. So with all that being said, let's stitch the wig and get to showering. All right, now that my shower is done, I'm gonna slather my body in this lovely apple cinnamon shortbread lotion. Gonna throw on my cozy Halloween jammies from Target a few years ago. And of course, some cute Halloween socks. Not much is better than like freshly shaved legs and clean, soft, baggy pajamas. It's the little things in life. Just going to get my hair brushed. I don't really do much too crazy with it. I don't tend to blow dry my hair. I usually just let it air dry because it's pinned straight and it's just gonna look like how it wants to anyway. And I have nowhere to be tonight, so we are just gonna let it air dry tonight and do its thing. And then it's also not technically time for me to do my nighttime skincare routine. I have a couple hours until then. So in the meantime, I do want to have some nourishment on my face. So when moments like this happen where it's not quite time for me to do my skincare routine, but I took my makeup off anyways, I like to use these Colourpop 4th Ray Beauty face milks. This is the matcha avocado one. I'm just gonna do a little squirt of that, work it into my skin, just to give some extra hydration and nourishment to last me for a few hours until I actually do my skincare routine. All right, we got dinner cooking, got spooky plates ready to go. We found these at TJ Maxx / Home Goods this year. Not really a spooky dinner, but it is a yummy dinner on a spooky plate. Impossible burger with sweet potato fries. All right, it's cookie time. This yummy ghouls mix. These cookies better be glad they're cute because they sure are messy. All right, while those cookies bake, I'm gonna light up all the cute decor, which seems like it's probably gonna be annoying and a lot, but it's really not. It takes 5 minutes. Look how cute they are. We just got a set of 4 little dessert plates at TJ Maxx with these cute kitties on them.
They look like Evelyn.
They do look like Evelyn. Spooky cookies. And now it is time. Yes. Spooky movie night. Oh, continue with 1 minute remaining. I hate when it does that. Thank you for finishing the movie for me.
Are we gonna watch it twice?
All right, trying it again. My house has such cozy Halloween energy and I love it so much. All right, it is bedtime now and I'm exhausted, but I have to do my skincare. I did already quickly cleanse my face again, even though I haven't done anything. I just wanted to make sure there was nothing on it. So now we're just gonna go into the routine. Going in with the Pixie Glow Tonic. This is my favorite toner ever. I use it on a reusable cotton round. You can get these anywhere. I'm pretty sure these were from Amazon, but I've also seen them in person in random stores as well. Just gonna get that all submerged. Can you hear the outside noise? We have the windows open because it feels so good at night right now. I love it. So every other night I use this serum. At nighttime, it's the overnight exfoliating treatment from Good Molecules. It has AHAs and BHAs. I am not a skincare expert. I've just found what works for me. And if any of you are curious about what I use, well, I always talk about it in empties videos. I kind of go over things that I've used up, but if you're curious about what I'm currently using, it's this. This is actually my second bottle. I've already gone through one of these in my day. And then at night, I really like this Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. It just feels really hydrating and nourishing, and I think it sinks into my skin nicely personally. Just do a little drop of that. Get that worked into my skin as well. I guess if I planned this better, we could have done a mask tonight too, but just wasn't feeling it today. And then my eye cream for at night, I've been trying to bust through this retinol eye cream from Revolution Skincare. And it's taking me forever to go through it. I just do a little dot of it on my ring fingers and work that all around my eye. And then for night cream, I love this Pacifica Vegan Collagen Overnight Recovery Cream. It is quite lovely. And I've been going through this for a very long time as well. I swear I'm never, ever, ever gonna run out of it. Fresh, happy skin. Now that my teeth are clean, I'm going to just throw on some lip product. I'm gonna use the Colourpop Hello Kitty lip scrub first. This was part of the winter collection. And I swear I'm never gonna run out of it. This one's probably my favorite one they've come out with. I love the peppermint cookie scent, it's so good. And then I'm just going to top the Hello Kitty mask on top of it, which I'm also convinced I'm never gonna run out of. And that about wraps that up. Let's go say goodnight to the kitties now. Absol, are you already ready for bed? You got the bed all dirty and hairy. You got the bed all hairy, Absol. Felix is always ready for bed. He always wants bed or dinner. Leela, how are you this fine evening? Did you have a good day today? Oh, yes. Cloudy, what are you doing out here all by your lonesome? You enjoying a look out the window?
They're chasing a bug.
You see some bugs? You see some bugs? You going home to your candy house? Edelyn, why are you hanging out by the empty bowls? It's a long time till dinner, sweetheart. Hi, kitty. You wanna scream for everyone? Good girl. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little autumn nighttime routine video. I don't know exactly what I'm calling it, but it's autumn, it's spooky season. This is the night routine where I can bake Halloween cookies and wear Halloween pajamas. And hang out in my cozy room, which is Halloween all the time. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a nighttime related emoji and a Halloween related emoji. And if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you want, you can hop over and follow me on my other socials. I am battybean on everything. I post every day on Instagram and I'm fairly active on TikTok and Twitter as well. And if you want, you can subscribe to my channel. I'm posting every day in the month of October. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. Oh, Leela. Did you want to come say hello too? Come here, baby. Are you feeling camera shy now? Leela. Oh, what a baby. You can see Absol over here too. I am surrounded by kitties.